Welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial on how to use the mirror command. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step through using the mirror command effectively. Let's get started. Begin by opening your desired drawing in AutoCAD. You can create a new drawing or open an existing one from your files. Accessing the mirror command. To access the mirror command, you have a few options. You can either type mirror in the command line and press enter, find the mirror command button on the Modify panel in the Home tab, or right-click on the selected objects and choose Mirror from the context menu. To start using the mirror command, select the objects that you want to create a mirrored copy of. You can select multiple objects by clicking on them with your mouse or using the selection tools provided in AutoCAD. After accessing the mirror command, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the mirror line. The mirror line defines the axis along which the mirrored copy of the selected objects will be created. Click to specify the starting point of the mirror line, and then click again to indicate the end point. Once you have selected the mirror line, AutoCAD will create a mirrored copy of the selected objects based on the defined axis. The mirrored copy will be placed symmetrically along the mirror line, allowing you to easily create symmetrical designs or duplicate objects. With the mirrored copy created, you can modify or edit it independently. This includes moving, scaling, rotating, or applying different properties to the mirrored objects as needed. You have successfully learned how to use the mirror command. Practice using this command regularly to become more proficient in AutoCAD.